Hey, Tick, what are you doing down there? Simple. The professor's going to show everyone how an air damper motor works. Unlike the motor in your cake mixer or an electric drill, if you push them too hard, they will basically overheat and you'll smell them begin to burn up. This is an impedance protected motor, basically a motor that's so weak that you can stall it and it won't burn itself up. This is where the damper motor is connected to the air door for the firebox. If you remove power, it's spring-loaded to return. Notice how the little fan blade keeps it from slamming too fast, which would damage the gears and all when it slammed shut. So they slow it down with a little fan. Tick says this makes it safe in a blackout, as it would put the fire out. Now put the dust cover back on, Professor.